Hi everyone, this is Dr. Valencia Porter and I am going to show you how to use the Environmental Working Group Skin Deep app to look for clean products. So you can type in EWG.org and Skin Deep, or just go to ewg.org/Skin Deep. And some people had questions for me about hand sanitizers. So you can search here for an ingredient, brand, or product, and you can also search for types of products. So if I just type in here hand sanitizers and search, it's going to give you 145 products found for hand sanitizer. And if you don't see your own product, you can also build your own report, and I will create a separate video on how to do that. So you will see here they have some EWG verified products. That means that they adhere to strict requirements. Here is one that I use. This is the Everyone hand sanitizer. So I'm just going to click on that and we can find out some more details. If you want to learn more about how the EWG scores, what they mean, or if you want to learn more about what EWG verified means, you can click there. But these products are very highly rated and are the safest products around. So you will see for this product, this hand sanitizer, in terms of ingredients concerns, you know, they rank really highly. So no concerns for cancer, developmental and reproductive toxicity, allergies, use restrictions. And then they will go through each of the ingredients and provide, you know, reasons why there may be a concern or not. So lavender is said to possibly have endocrine disruption actions, but this is a very natural product. This is not artificial lavender scent. This is real lavender. Same with aloe. So the other ingredients here are ethanol, which is a type of alcohol, water, and glycerin. So this is a very safe product. They also tell you about the testing policies, etc. So I'm going to go back again. Sorry, they have a lot of pop-ups there. You can also, so you can see the EWG verified ones come up first. You can also search by rating. So you can look at sort by best match. So the best to the worst, alphabetical. So when we go here, I'll show you, this is another product that I use, Dr. Bronner's. So sometimes there are products that, you know, you search for and they don't have. You can also build your own report. Again, I will show you how to do that in a new video. But basically you need to just type in the ingredients, and I tend to just copy and paste them from the ingredients that I can find online. So as you can see, they have sun products, they have sunscreens, skin products, hair, nails, makeup, fragrance, baby care, oral care, products for men. It's a fantastic resource. So I hope that you use it, and let me know if you have questions.